Welcome to Minnesota. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Dad. It's very cold. I live in Minnesota, yes, and in some places today, in some places in Minnesota, it's up to 60 below zero. Yeah, I'm not making this up. But I live in the Twin Cities, which is typically warmer than other places in Minnesota. But today is super cold. Yes, Minnesota. If you're not subscribed, smash that like button, subscribe, support the work. You can leave a comment. Let me know if you live in a cold state or you live in a warm state or country where you don't have to deal with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees below zero. Fahrenheit. The US we use Fahrenheit. Yeah, again, very cold Monday. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. January the 20th, 2025. If this is the first time for you to visit, smash that like button, and I'm gonna show you here on the computer what the temps are. Still out there is cold, but you can see cars driving up and down the street. People are still living their life. Let me show you the temps on the computer here. As you can see, 7 below zero without the windshield. It feels like 23 degrees below zero. And this is Minneapolis, St. Paul in Minnesota. There's a weather forecast. It's cloudy. Time is 3:19. Actually, the time is 3:25. Just wanted to share that so you can see how cold it is today in Minnesota. Probably you're happy, glad you don't live in Minnesota. So that's what we are dealing with today in Minnesota. Very cold. Alright, give us a like again if you're not subscribed. Subscribe, support us. We'll see you in the next video. Just wanted to share that. Take care of yourself and take care of those you love. You can see we have a advisory, a warning. So don't be out there unless you have to. And dress warm. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.